company again?
We are Sonder Venturez, and we just purchased the Osmo Mobile Combo DJI, and this is gonna help us with our vlogs, make it more better, and it comes with the device itself as well as
A carrying case and a tripod.
and then the power cable, the storage pouch, and of course the wrist strap that goes on your wrist. Let's see how this goes. All right, we're gonna go and unbox this baby. This thing looks already difficult to open as it is, but let's see.
Let's mess up the box, yay.
Yay, mess up the box.
I do not have a proper box cutter. I am going to mess it up. Oh, I think I got it.
Hey, you got it.
All right, let's see. I got it, but I can't open it. No.
We're gonna try not to cuss because we do not want to get demonetized, especially if there's families watching out there. So.
Okay, there we go.
All right, we got it.
All right. All right. There. Plastic removed.
Yay!
I'm gonna go put these scissors away.
All right, now we just have to get rid of the sticker. That's always here. All right, guys, we got it open. There we go. Also, this comes with a 2-year warranty already intact with this, and I bought another 2-year warranty in case this thing decides to do whatever, you know, drops or breaks or anything like that. Let's go ahead and open it.
Ooh. Gotta duck out.
All right, so here I think is going to be our cable. No. Okay, I think this is a tripod. It's in a small box. Easy to open. Oh yeah. Okay, here we go. All right. So this has everything in it. It's just compacted in here. So the first one we have is the strap. Oh, this is the strap that goes with the tripod. I don't think we'll be using the strap as much. Maybe we'll put it into our phones. I don't know. This one right here is going to be the pouch itself. Your tripod, these little stickers. See, it says it required anti-slip pad to secure mobile phone in the phone. And this is the tripod. Ooh, yeah, this is a tripod. So in case you guys, you know, if you want to actually like, you know, take pictures, if you're at Disney or Universal Studios, put it down like this, and it's supposed to stay. But yeah, we'll see how this works. I'll probably try it out later. And of course, this is the product itself. It comes in a nice case. Let's open it here. If you guys are wondering where I got the idea for the DJI Osmo, I just want to thank L90 Vibes for recommending me, and also Steve from Steve and Kai. They actually use this as well. So, and this is the DJI. As you can tell, it gives you the instructions and everything like that. It has your little QR code right here that you could actually scan with your phone to activate it. So if you guys are a first-time user, the cool thing is that press and hold the trigger Trigger and M button and stay to sleep for 1 second to forget the Bluetooth device. Okay, and this is where your phone goes. So it says phone direction right there. I would keep the sticker in case you guys don't know where to put the things, where to put your phone. So yeah. And it moves around. There's a way to staple this, I'm sure of it. And it said it came with the power cable, but there it is. It's all in here. There's your power cable. Alright, so this is a combo pack. Fun part, to study this thing.